This video explains how to buy shares of Auckland International Airport Limited. It is an educational walkthrough. Auckland International Airport operates New Zealand's main international airport. It trades on CBOE AUS under the ticker AIA.ASX, and this is educational content, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade shares, and I will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AIA.ASX to find a listing for Auckland International Airport Limited. Make sure you select the correct result for the company. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the page clearly shows Auckland International Airport Limited before moving on. To buy, select the Investor Trade button, enter the amount you want, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A soft reminder: the example link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.